Hello guys, can you believe that you can record your voice as crystal clear with just a small device that's barely even noticeable? So I would like to introduce something called the Hollyland Lark m2s. So this can record crystal clear over 300 meters or 1000 feet according to the company. And I'm wearing one right now, which you can hear from it. And then apparently there's another version of it called the Hollyland Lark Max. You can choose which one you want, but we bought the Lark m2s. This we are going to unbox. So yeah, this is the packaging all the way here. This is a this only weighs like 7 grams, but there's a thing to it. The packaging offers up to if you fully charge the package with only 1 hour and 30 minutes, it will last up to 30 hours of charge. And that's just the box, which I'll take out right now. The unboxing, you have to pull this one. This is the Hollyland's m2s case. I am using one now. This thing, when fully charged, can stand up to 9 hours. 9 hours worth of charge. And this is a video recorder. You can adjust the sound by turning this. And it has many other ways, but this is for camera. For phones, there's another one which I'll show you in a separate time. But this is a case, high-tech case. This thing is made out of titanium. This is a magnetic clip. It has rubber and it will stand very firm. And there's one particular reason why I like this. It's because it has noise cancellation, like background noise cancellation. So if you're on a busy street in Mumbai, Delhi, somewhere, you can just turn on the ENA, or there's like an orange button here. If you when you on it, it should be like a blue color. I hope you can see it. There's a blue color, and when you need to have, like, if you need to on ENA or like the noise cancellation, you click this and it will turn green. That means it's on. So now I'm going to off it. For offing, you just hold this and it will off in yes, now it's off since no light coming. Now we can keep it back. If this is green, that means it's over 98% or fully charged. If it's like 6 to 98%, it will show a white color. And when it's under 6% of charge, it will show a red color. So you can check it and you can use it for the entire day because it offers 18 hours of charge according to both of these combined. So you can use them, and this also offers 30 hours of charge, which is enough for like almost one entire day or more than one day. So that's all. And there's another package that comes. This is the instructions, the Hollyland m2s quick guide, which we can show which we'll show a picture of later in the video. This, whatever it is, Holy View. Then let's get in touch, and we are here for you. I don't know why they gave us that. And user group and quick guide for after sale service. Then this is what you have to do. Pull this. There'll be a secret, so don't forget this. This is very important. This pouch contains many things. If you pull this has a Holyland icon, very easy to use. There's a little pouch here. Let's see what's in it. A cotton ball, something like that. This We can keep that there. Then I wonder what this is. Let's open it. We'll unbox that later. Another one. And this is a cable. I hope you can see it. This is a cable that you can connect to your camera and then you can connect with this thing, which will help it. This is a USB service. You can charge it for like 1 hour and 30 minutes, and you can get it fully charged. That's what I like about it. Then this we can keep there along with the cotton ball, 2 cotton ball. Then let's see what else is in there. A USB-O charger. Nice. There's one more, I think, right? We can check in there. There's one, and I'll show you this. And this is the lightning charger. You can connect to like iPhone 14, 15, 16, I believe. Type C to lightning patch cable. This can connect to like this is a lightning cable. Zoom in. This, and this is the end which you can connect to our video receiver. This, you connect it like this. That's all. And I was talking about a connector that you can put into your phone, and this is a connector which you can put into your phone, and you can adjust the audio. There's an app which you can get by using this. Its name is Hollyland itself, and you can hear whatever you're saying in action without having to remove the cable or this. So it's pretty nice to have around. This is the Lark m2s sound. If you want, you can check this. So let's take it. First, to get it, we have to get our connector from Hollyland itself, and we can connect it. Yes. Then see where this is by. And see, it's loading. So you can see me telling, and it will adjust audio. Now this is in loud, I believe. This is medium voice, and this is low voice. You can see the difference between in my voice. Now there's different types. There's mono for like non interviews, and this is stereo, which for 2 people, and that's all. And there's a thing called phone speaker, which I told you about, which you can hear what you're saying without having to remove and stop the video and listen to it. This is high NC level, and this is low NC level. There's many things, and if you are using mic 1, it will show the percentage of charge. If you're using mic 2, which I'll connect it later, then, and this is schedule power off. This you can power off by your phone, and that's all. I hope you like this video, so thank you very much.